Class 3. Now copy this in your English grammar copy. अब इसको English grammar copy में heading लिखो conjunctions. और ये क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन कॉपी में लिखना चालू करो. At the end I will give you the answers. Okay? Now क्लास 3 कॉपी डाउन. ये कॉपी में लिखना चालू करो. क्वेश्चन 1 है, I will go to the concert but dash you go as well. मैं आंसर दूंगा पर अभी सिर्फ कॉपी करो क्वेश्चन. ओनली इफ, अनलेस, ओनली बट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, I brought along a sandwich dash I get hungry. ऑप्शन है therefore, in case, only if. क्वेश्चन 3 है, dash she calls me I feel very happy. Options are therefore, so that, whenever. I brought along a sandwich. I brought along a sandwich. Answers होगा in case, right? In case I get hungry. Number 3, dash she calls me I feel very happy. Answer is whenever. Whenever she calls me I feel very happy. Now question number 4. Take this photo dash you can remember me. Take this photo. Answer is so that you can remember me. Now question 5 is, I will not talk to him dash he apologizes. Apologizes मतलब माफी मांगना. I will not talk to him dash he apologizes for what he did. I will not talk to him until. आंसर होगा until he apologizes. देखो मैंने 1 से 5 तक का आंसर दे दिया है. मैंने 1 से 5 तक का आंसर दे दिया. कॉपी करो. ऑप्शन भी उतारना है कॉपी में. ओके, उसके बाद मैं और दूंगा 6 to 10. टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन है. डू फास्ट, आई एम वेटिंग. of you have done. Now I am changing. अब मैं आगे जा रहा हूं. Now see, question number 6 is, I will find you dash you are. And the options are where, wherever, therefore. The correct answer is wherever. I will find you wherever you are. Okay. Now, question 7. Question 7 is, she spoke dash, she knew what she was talking about, but she didn't. She spoke dash, she knew what she was talking about, but she didn't. So options are until, although, as if. She spoke until she knew what she was talking about, but she didn't. Yeah, she spoke although she knew what she was talking about, but she didn't. Yeah, she spoke as if she knew what she was talking about. She spoke as if she knew what she was talking about, but she didn't. The correct answer is as if. The correct answer is as if. तो मैंने 1 से लेकर 7 तक आंसर दे दिया. प्लीज राइट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. और 3 एमसीक्यू है और 3 है. 10 तक देना है मुझे. राइट डाउन एवरीवन, राइट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. हेडिंग लिखना था कंजंक्शंस. ओके. Yes, now I am going to question 8, 9 and 10. I hope all of you have written down. Now I am moving. I am going to question 8 and question 9. Question 8 is, dash the police arrived, we had to end the party. And the options are until, once, although. The correct answer is once. Once the police arrived, we had to end the party. Done. मैंने 8 का भी आंसर दे दिया. Now come to question number 9. I couldn't figure out dash, he said what he said. And the options are why, once, because. I couldn't figure out. The correct answer is why. I couldn't figure out why he said what he said. Okay, write down. सभी कॉपी में लिख लो. Now I am going to the last question, question 10. I hope all of you have written down. Till 4, all of you have written down. Now, question 10. What is question number 10? I bought you a birthday card. Dash, I like you. I bought you a birthday card. Dash, I like you. And the options are while, because, and why. And the correct answer is because. So the correct answer is because. So I have given you till 1 to 10. And now whoever has completed, make the PDF and send to my personal WhatsApp for checking, okay? तो 1 to 10 मैंने दे दिया, जिसका भी हो गया है पर्सनल पीडीएफ बनाओ, फोटो खींचो, पीडीएफ बनाओ, फोटो खींचकर पीडीएफ बनाओ और उसके बाद में पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप में सबमिट करो फॉर चेकिंग. सो आई मेड यू डू टुडे कंजंक्शंस. ये एक तरह का पीटीएच का रिवीजन भी है. देख लो, कंजंक्शन जो भी आएगा इसी प्रकार आएगा. एमसीक्यू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में आएंगे आंसर्स. यू नो दैट 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ रहेगा, तुम लोग को आंसर देना होगा, इसी तरह से आएगा. यही क्वेश्चन आएगा ये जरूरी नहीं, ये तो जस्ट एग्जांपल था, रिवीजन इसी तरह का आएगा, बस इतना ही समझो. I hope all of you have written down. आशा है आप सभी ने लिख लिया है. All of you have written down. Now I am ending my class here. आज जिसका भी मिस हो गया है या जिसका जूम इंटरनेट ठीक से काम नहीं किया या जो कोई क्लास नहीं कर पाया, उन लोग के लिए मैं व्हाट्सएप में भेजा दूंगा जो भी आज क्लास हुआ है. वैसे भी वीडियो भी बन चुका है, ऐप में देख लेना. ओके, चलो, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माय क्लास हियर.